Welcome back to our awesome adventures in Cape Tribulation. We are taking you on an incredible tour of our last days in this magical place. Filled with amazing spots and delicious treats. So get ready to join us for a fantastic ride. Our day starts off with a splash at Mason Swimming Hole. It's like a dream come true with clear waters and the lush rainforest surrounding us. We are all smile as we relax in the sun and enjoying the beauty of nature at its best.
How was your day?
So good.
It was good?
Yeah. Nice to end of the day. Maybe this is a rent. I standing here. I'm not. Sorry. Oh my god.
Next, we head to the postcard perfect Kulki Beach.
This place is Kulki Beach. It's like the lookout from the north point. And yeah, it's look very easy.
The waves gently hug the shore, and with the palm trees remix sounds, it's paradise on earth. We are just chilling, making memories, and feeling grateful for the breathtaking views.
We are leaving Cape Tribulation today and it was very nice.
But wait, there is more. We can't miss Noah's Beach, a hidden gem on Cape Tribulation's coast. It's a real treat for nature's lovers like us.
You can see all the rainforest around.
And to end this fabulous day, we treat ourselves at Flora Villa Ice Cream Factory. The flavors are out of this world, made from delicious tropical fruits. It's a perfect way to end our adventures with a sweet note.
So what did you take?
Mango kulfi.
Signature cup. So I don't know, lots of flavors.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Jackfruit. La seed and the coconut.
We say goodbye to Cape Tribulation with a heavy heart. But don't worry, our journey continues. Next week, we are diving into the Great Barrier Reef, where we will witness stunning marine life like never before.
Bye-bye, Cape Tribulation.
Remember, there is no barrier to exploring the world's wonders. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we will see you next time.